This video presents a demo of the VR interaction scenario with the persona who is a male, aged 27, with an alcohol use disorder and an IQ of 50. Before the persona enters the VR room, the therapist will elaborate on how he is able to select options in the environment. The therapist will explain how to pick up objects. They will first try out how to pick up objects in a tryout room before entering the actual interaction scenario VR environment. The persona is located in the living room and is able to interact with the room. He can, for example, turn on a TV. In the scenario, his dog and a beer are presented. The persona would normally drink a beer on the sofa after turning on the TV. Instead, the dog will bark when he moves to the beer or wants to take the beer. The dog suggests to go for a walk, in which the self-control technique distance is utilized. The persona is also able to go outside. The therapist will tell the options to the persona. When repeating the scenario, the therapist will not elaborate on the various options. After choosing to go for a walk with the dog, the persona is confronted with the liquor store. The dog will bark again when moving closer. When the persona refuses to go in, he goes back to his house. The dog, or system, will reward him when he's back in the house. In the first scenario, the user takes the dog for a walk and ignores the liquor store. In this scenario, the user also takes the dog. However, this time he also pays the liquor store a visit. Another option is for the user to take the beer but ignore the liquor store. And, as you've probably guessed, there's also the scenario in which the user does everything wrong. He takes the beer and also goes into the liquor store. And there are also variations. For example, the user can go for a stroll, so he initially walks away from the beer, and then change his mind, come back and grab the beer anyway. After the participant finishes the VR session, the interaction will be evaluated by the therapist. This concludes our demo video.